Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you how to onboard a client using the BANKAYO UI, which is based on Fineract core banking system. All right, let's start. Now to onboard a client, you have there are about 3 places where you can do that in the BANKAYO UI. You can use this link here, or call it a button. You can use the link that is over here, or you can use the link that is here. Simply type new and select the create new client link, and then you'll be, whichever of those links that you click on, you'll be directed to the same window. So don't worry where you pick the link from. So let's continue. So on the screen, to create the client, you can select the form of the person of the client, the legal form of the client. That is either person or entity. Now, person being a human being, and entity being like a group or a company. So we shall select person for this case, and specify, let's say, first name as John, and you can skip the other name, specify Doe as the surname. Then you can select gender. Okay, we've not computed any genders yet, but that's can do that later. Then we put the phone number. Let's say it's a Kenyan number. And then we select the date when we that client joined the group or the circle or the MFI, which is today for this case. And specify also the activation date. The activation date being the date when that client was actually activated into the system. So click next, and then select a branch. Let's say just mines, and then we select a product. Let's say that product for this case, and then we'll put an external ID. An external ID being an identifier that is used to reference this client in a different system somewhere else. Maybe their payroll number, maybe their national ID number, something that is externally identifying this client. So click next. We can add addresses, but for now we've skipped addresses. We disabled addresses for now, but we can do that later. Enable them, and then we shall do that in another video. Click next, and then after you've reviewed this and it is all right, then you can go ahead and yes, create client. Now, upon successful creation, we shall receive this message that the client has been created, and we shall also be redirected to the dashboard of this client. So first, since he hasn't done anything yet, we can already see details of his creation. Doesn't have any loans, doesn't have any savings. He doesn't have anything yet. We're just seeing his creation details. In another video, we shall take you through the process of creating things like share accounts, loans, adding family addresses, notes, and everything else. But for now, this is all we want to show you. If we go back to our dashboard now, we should be able to see that we have a new client being a client that was created within this month. Remember, we selected 23rd Feb, which is today. So that is why we are having a new client this month. And the active clients that we have in this branch is 1, and the total number of clients is just 1. All these figures will be populated as we go through these tutorials. If we click on any of these links that are active, they'll redirect us to where these figures are coming from. If I click here, I'll be redirected to where this client, to the list of the new clients. I wanted to see the inactive clients. I don't have any. I wanted to see the active clients. We still have just one. And all clients, we still have just one. Well, thank you very much for listening, and keep checking on this channel, because we are going to be adding more and more tutorials to show you how to use the BANKAYO UI. Thank you very much.